Now that I finished Wagon, I'm working as a full-stack developer at Gaspar Bruno.
Right now I'm working as a backend developer here at Sabe.
So now I'm a strategic growth manager at PayPal.
Now I'm a web developer at Maxo.
I'm a junior full-stack developer at Landing Jobs.
All different kinds of people do boot camps. Here at Wagon, we've had everything from computer science majors and graduates to musicians and artists.
I tried to learn how to code before Wagon. It was a bit hard, like learning it alone, so I decided I wanted a classroom environment to further my programming skills.
It's not a magic pill by doing a boot camp learning to code. They need to have the right mindset, they need to have the right motivation, and they need to understand what they're getting into.
When you join in 9 weeks is just, it seems impossible.
It's fast-paced. I think it's the best way to learn how to code quickly and effectively, because in college it's too much and too slow sometimes.
After doing my thesis, I really didn't know what to do. I was kind of lost, so it gave me a purpose.
Do you want to be a product manager? Do you want to be a developer? Do you want to be a tech founder? All those things are things that you can do if you know how to code, and you can do well if you know how to code.
My biggest surprise about coding was that it's so useful for everything that I always wanted to do.
Through doing Wagon, I was actually able to create, and I felt that my skills were relevant and actually practical. Like what I learned in Wagon, it was relevant and I can implement right away.
I realized that, yes, it's very hard, but you do learn and you do feel like you can do it. So it's a really empowering feeling.
You really need to empower your skills since you don't have a technical degree. You need to keep learning. Just check what is in the market, what technologies are in, like what you can do to improve your work and your skills to have something to show to the companies.
After you do a bootcamp, you really feel like you can do anything, and you also have time for yoga, right? So you do a bit of everything.
After the day, after you put in the hard work, you can go out, enjoy sunny Lisbon, have a few drinks.
So my biggest surprise about learning to code was actually to find out that it's really fun.
And I can say doing a boot camp like Wagon totally changed my idea of what education should be.
At worst, you learn a new skill, which is awesome, and at best, it will be a life-changing experience. So I would say definitely go for it.